People, today I would like to show you how I made my black soup. This is what I have to use. This is my pepper, my saint leaf, uziza leaf, bitter leaf, palm oil. I use palm kernels anyways, crayfish, black fish, and my head of cow.
Goat head.
Goat. She goat in me. We should go to cow. I have to buy
Cow head. Stir together and allow the taste to incorporate. Next, we are going to grind our leaves. Leaf, the bitter leaf, onions, pepper, and we go in with our grounded crayfish, seasoning cube. You can adjust with salt to taste. And then we stir together. Next, you can make use of palm oil, red oil if that is what we have, but I'm using banga sauce for this. We stir it together and allow it to cook.